This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your laptop, and this is easy. Just make sure your controller is turned off by holding down the PlayStation button right here. So if you hold this down for 5 to 10 seconds, it will automatically turn off your controller. Then put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the share button and the PlayStation button down at the same time. So we can do this now, and the light is going to begin to flash just like this. When the light is flashing, going down to Start, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth and Device, and then go to Add Device right here. Go to Bluetooth, and then your DualSense controller will show up under this list. Just make sure the light is still flashing, and then we can go to our controller and select it, and now it is connected to our computer. So you can see it under here. And then if we go to Steam or something like that and open it up, it should automatically work in Steam without switching over any settings. But it's not. Make sure you go to the Steam settings and enable the PS5 controller under there. Otherwise, it's simply not going to work in Steam. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.